Welcome back. Right now, Michigan's Attorney General is joining a legal fight to help keep dangerous weapons off our streets.
And this fight is big. The Attorney General is one of 16 AGs suing to block a federal settlement, and that would actually allow the sale of devices that can turn regular guns into machine guns. And that is what's getting so much attention. Jay Scott Smith is live in Southfield with more on this controversial case. Jay.
Yes, indeed. Now, this is actually seen as an about-face by the federal government, and the suit is meant to make sure that a dangerous weapon doesn't get scarier. The lawsuit was filed in federal court in Maryland on Monday. Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel was one of 15 state attorneys general, along with the D.C. Attorney General, to sign on to the suit. Now, the states are suing to stop a settlement that would allow for the sale of forced reset triggers, which are illegal in the state of Michigan, and they allow a semi-automatic weapon, typically an AR-15, to fire at a faster rate, effectively turning it into a machine gun.
It causes the weapon to fire more rapidly. And a weapon that fires that rapidly, it allows you to hit multiple targets.
The settlement was reached on May 16th and would require the ATF to return the triggers that had been previously seized during the Biden administration or voluntarily surrendered to the government. And while this is seen as a victory for Second Amendment advocates, this could be bad news for law enforcement agencies across the country, including here in Southeast Michigan.
Everybody has a right to bear arms. We understand that. We know that in these types of cases that, yeah, there are people who may legally obtain things, but there are people who do get them illegally. And these types of modified triggers get in the wrong hands. I mean, it's a nightmare for police, it's a nightmare for the community, and puts people more at risk.
Now, in a statement, Attorney General Nessel said, quote, allowing forced reset triggers into Michigan could be devastating, and I will continue fighting to protect the safety of our residents, especially when the federal government refuses to do so. Now, we did reach out to the Attorney General for further comment, but she was not available. And it should be noted that of these 16 Attorneys General, just 2 of them are in the Midwest, one in Michigan and one in the state of Minnesota. We're live in downtown Detroit. I'm Jay Scott Smith for Local 4.
A big fight underway, that's for sure. All right, thank you, Jay.